Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 is back with another video. Okay. Well, something I want to talk about. I mean, I couldn't believe I waited days later after hearing about Chris Rock. So I know it's been almost over a year, or should I say it's been a year since Will Smith slapped Chris Rock in the face in front of millions and millions of people, okay? So, actually, I missed it, to be honest with y'all. I didn't see the actual thing. So, I don't watch the Oscars, honestly, but the Oscars came on yesterday. I missed that too, okay? So honestly, y'all, I don't know why all this had to happen last year. So Chris Rock, on another hand, he decides to bash Will Smith. I don't know if that was comedy or retaliation or something like that. Okay. So people saying Chris Rock is obsessed with Jada Pinkett Smith. And then that's not my first time hearing Will Smith curse. Everybody all over heard Will Smith curse. Keep my wife's name out of your effing mouth. You know something though? Chris Rock should have hit Will Smith back, no matter what. Yes, indeed. Well, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I have nothing against Will Smith. I still like Will Smith, but I don't think he would hit Donald Trump like that. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I don't think he would hit George Jefferson, Sherman, Hemsley, or whatever his name is. I don't think he would hit him. And just like the guy that played Omar on Fresh Prince, I don't think he would have hit him either. I think his name is Jacques or something. I'll find out though one day. I don't think Will Smith would have hit him after pushing them around and spinning them around in the opening credits. Well, I'm just being sarcastic right now. So I don't know if I'm going to say Chris Rock being sarcastic in this Netflix show or whatever, his comedy show. I know it's not Def Comedy Jam or whatever. So never mind all that though. Okay, but as far as that though, I mean, I thought Chris Rock done gotten over that. If that is a grudge holding situation, I don't know if that's a grudge holding situation, honestly. I don't know, honestly. But we'll soon find out some way, somehow. Okay? So, some people saying Chris Rock needs to get over it. And there's a rumor that Will Smith was talking about suing Chris Rock or whatever. I don't know. Okay? People saying Chris Rock is obsessed with Jada Pinkett Smith. I don't know how true that is, I don't know, honestly, y'all. I mean, read a book or something. So, listening to his songs and stuff like that, No Sex in the Champagne Room featuring Jar Levert, And then that song, I forgot the name of that song that video that came out in 1997. The music sound like Rock Box from DMC, Run DMC, So I saw that on MTV a long time ago. Okay, so yeah, I saw it on BET and MTV. Okay, never had a chance to see it on a box, but I heard it was on a box. I don't think the box in this town broadcasted. I don't know. All right, so anyway, I don't know if Chris Rock is holding a grudge or not. I don't know. Okay, so I mean, I hold grudges myself. Don't mean to, since I have an attention span of a rodent, I guess. So I'm talking about myself having an attention span as a rodent, So I must say, y'all, I mean, I don't know why I don't know why that happened, and then somebody said, but I'm not gonna mention a person name that Jada. Somebody said Jada Pinkett Smith is in love with Tupac Shakur. You know, Tupac. You know, yeah, but I don't know if I believe that. I don't know how true that part is either. You know, Tupac been gone since 1996. You know. Yeah, he passed away in 96, you know? So, oh well, you know. Alright, so, I'm not even sure if Chris Rock met Tupac, you know? I don't know if he met Biggie Smalls, or should I say the Notorious B.I.G. Maybe he did met Biggie, you know? So, he probably met Tupac, you know? I don't know if Will Smith met Tupac either, but I'm a teeny bit sure that Will Smith met Biggie as far as I know. But we'll see, you know. All right, so that's all I gotta say, y'all. Okay. All right, so Chris Rock, if you're watching this, which I doubt, you know, are you all right, bro? If you're watching this, you know, I hope so, because it seemed like you said that slap still hurt. Your ear's still ringing, you know. If I was you, I would have pressed charges. That's what I would have hell did. That's what the hell I would do, press charges, you know. So that's all the hell I'll say, all right? Thank y'all for watching, all right? Bye.